Today we are making an apple slinky snack. This is a super fun snack that you can make. All you need is this gadget. It's an apple peeler core slicer.
But you can't have it without apples. You can't use it without apples.
That's right. You also need an apple for this project.
Yeah, an apple won't just magically appear over here.
And so what you do is you put the apple onto this, and then you push this thing.
And then do this.
And then you spin it
I like to do it.
So that
Then
you spin it so that the peel comes off.
Yeah.
This part takes the peel off, and this part turns it into a slinky. This is an apple slinky.
See, I actually cleaned up after myself.
It's an edible slinky that you can make.
Just an apple and ash. Dun, dun. Just crack it with iron.
And if it breaks, you can eat it. People usually use for apple slinkies and apple pies, but we're going to make a snack today. We take one piece of the apple slinky and put peanut butter on it.
And I just sneakily get chocolate chips from their opportunity, but I can't actually.
And then you put chocolate chips or nuts on them. You could also put raisins or cranberries on it. Instead of the peanut butter, you could use almond butter or cream cheese. It's really that simple. You could make it any way you want.
Yum! Yum, yum. And
you could even put a top on your slinky, and then it's like a sandwich. You can eat it.
Snake-witch.
It's really good, but it needs milk with it.
For me too.
Okay. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to watch more of our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And give us a thumbs up. Oh, no. Trust me. Just give me Mount Triplist, which is Mount Chocolate Chips. Like a chocolate chip version of Mount Everest. And then I'll just eat it all up.